Hello guys, welcome to the 14th session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to create Azure Boot Service. For this, you must require Azure account. If you don't have Azure account, then you can sign up for this and claim first free month trial of $200. You must need Azure account because along with Azure Boot Services, we also need to use Cognitive Services later in this series. First of all, you need to open portal.azure.com. I am already logged in it. Here is the dashboard. Click on Create a new resource. Select AI plus Cognitive Services. We need to create Web App Boot. Write any name that you want to use for your boot. Note that it should be unique, so the name that you want to use may not be available. I am using myboat123. The next field is subscription. Select the subscription that you want to use. If you are using free trial like me, then you will see free trial in the list. And if you have pay as you go, then it will be in the list. You need to select the appropriate option. Next is resource group. This will help you to identify all resources under a specific name. You can select it from existing or create a new one. I'm going to create new one. Next field is server location. I'm remaining it default. Next is price tier. I'm selecting F0 plan. You can change it later too. Next is app name from which your website's URL will be generated. Azure Boot Service allows us to create a boot from the variously available templates. It includes templates for both C# and Node.js. For now, I am selecting basic template under C#. Then we need to select app service plan. If you don't have, then you need to create a new one for this. After this, we need to select Azure storage that would handle our files. I am going to create a new one. Next is for App Insight that helps you to analyze your boot performance. And click on Create button to create your first Azure Boot Services. Here our boot service, app service and insight will be created. It is now deploying. It will take some time. Here its deployment succeeded. And let us click on Resource Group. From here we need to select resource group that we have created. From here we are interested to manage web boot app. In this session we saw how to create first boot service. In next session we will continue with this and see boot management and app service menus. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day. Session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners.